Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can edit a text in Squarespace. So let's get started. First of all, go on your site. Now once you are in here, you have to go on the template and edit it. Now you have to double click on the text. Here is the heading. Now here you can edit your text. You have many options. You can also change the color of the text. You have to go on the palette and also the option of the custom. Once you're done with the color, you can also change the alignment. You have left align, center align and right align. Once you're done with all of it, you have to click on the done and save it. So yeah, this is how you can edit a text in Squarespace.